Good morning, kids. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Forest and Wildlife in India, chapter number 7. So here in your textbook in page number 60, you can see many pictures of wild animals. You can see the famous Asiatic lion in Gir Forest in Gujarat. And the next picture is of elephants in the Periyar National Park. Then we have the Royal Bengal tiger in Sundarban in West Bengal. Kids, India is home of many beautiful forests and many tourists visit these forests and national parks. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the forest and wildlife. Here, there is an observation skill question. The question is, what is the national animal of India? Name one thing that we use has the image of our national animal. You have to write the answer in your notebook. In page number 61, you can see a small flow chart. The heading is Resources in India and it has two categories, forest and wildlife. In forest, we have types of forest and conservation of forest. In wildlife, we have wildlife in India and conservation of wildlife. So, we will be learning these things in this chapter. Now, first, we will discuss about the forest. What is a forest? Forest is a large area where we can find different types of trees, shrubs, creepers which grow together and naturally. It is different from park and agriculture, and we also find large number of wild animals in the forest. We know that India has diverse landforms, climate and soil type. So, based on these factors, we have different types of trees in the forest. For example, in desert area, we can see short thorny trees. But whereas in mountain region, we can see tall trees with needle-shaped leaf. So, based on these factors, we have different types of forest. These are Evergreen Forest, Decidion Forest, Thorn Forest, Tidal Forest and Mountain Forest. So, we will be discussing one by one. First one is Evergreen Forest. You can see this is the India map and the dark colored is the Evergreen Forest. It is found in the hills of the northeast region and the slopes of Western Ghats and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Here the trees are always green and they do not shed their leaf in any particular season of the year. Some of the examples are ebony, mahogany and rosewood. Next type of forest is Decidion Forest. It is found along the foothills of Himalayas. The thing which is marked in green color, light green color is the Decidion Forest. Then it is found in some parts of peninsular plateau and in states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. These forests are less dense and trees shed their leaves at a particular time of the year. Some of the examples are teak, sal, neem, peepal and so on. The next type of forest is Thorn Forest. It is found in the desert areas of Rajasthan and Gujarat. You can see here the light yellow colored marked area is the Thorn Forest. Thorn Forest have thorny shrubs and bushes and a few short thorny trees. Some of the examples are kikar, care, cactus, date palm and so on. Next type of forest is Tidal Forest and these are found in the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta in West Bengal. It is also known as Sundarban. Now, delta is an area where a river divides into many small rivers and these rivers join into the sea. So you can see here the Ganga river which is joining in the Bay of Bengal Sea. So this area is known as the delta region. Now Sundari tree is a very common in this region. Tidal forest is also known as the mangrove forest. Here you can find mangrove trees. These trees are grown beside the water and their roots begin above the ground. You can see here the picture of mangrove tree. Then we have the mountain forest. These forests are found in the higher region of the Himalayas. So the light green color is the mountain region. These forests have coniferous trees. The trees are very tall and have needle shaped leaf. For example, pine, deodar, spruce and fir. So these were the types of forest found in India. Now we all know that forests are very useful for us. The trees in the forest gives us timber for making houses and furnitures, firewood for cooking, then wood pulp for making paper, rubber, gum, resins for paint, medicines and so on. Trees in the forest gives us clean air to breathe and makes the surrounding area cool. It also helps in reducing air pollution and also prevents soil erosion. It reduces the effect of global warming. Now what is global warming? Global warming is the increase in the temperature of the earth due to the effect of gases like carbon dioxide. So if we cut down the trees, the global warming, that is the temperature of the earth will increase. We also know that forest is the home of many wild animals, birds and insects. So if we cut down the trees, they will lose their home. So these are few importance of forest. In the next class, we will be learning about the conservation of forest. Here there is an activity for you. You have to make a poster on conservation of forest and you have to write a small message on your poster. After that, you have to submit in teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.